Hello everyone, Leanne from Five Girls Baking here, and we did a little expansion in our shop and we wanted to show that off to you. When you come in, we've now got a section with kitchen gadgets, cooking gadgets. We love gadgets and we know a lot of you do too. So we're expanding the line as we go, but we've got lots here to help you in your kitchen make cooking fun. If you need to replace any or you need something for cooking, we just might have it. So come and check us out. In addition to that, a lot of you haven't been in a while, and we wanted to showcase all of the awesome foods that we have. We've got such a growing selection of high quality foods and hard to find foods that I know that a lot of you are looking for. And if you're ever looking for something that you can't find, please let us know because we are constantly searching for great foods. So come and check us out. Check out what we've got. We are always adding every week, and we hope to see you soon. Thanks.